Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing integrations problems. So let's say someone give these integrations and you look, there's no way I know how to solve. So the hint is, let's use partial fractions so you can get some answers or potential solutions to it. So let's get started. So this integration is called partial fraction with repeated linear factors. So let's factor it in denominator. So our denominator is x cubed plus 2x squared plus x, right? So let's factor that. So when you factor, so you get x times x plus 1 to the square, right? So let's write down. So I will rewrite this as x squared minus 6x plus 2 over x cubed plus 2x square plus x equal to, so since this is partial fractions, so we need to find the constants, unknown constants. So let's see. So our denominator is our numerator is a over x plus b over x plus 1 plus c over x plus 1 to the square. Okay, so I just write as a sum of particular solution, sum of partial fractions. So since this is equal to this one, so we can find a, b, and c by writing this all over the same common denominator. So let's do that. So our common denominator will be x times x plus 1 to the square, and our numerator will be a times x plus 1 to the square plus b times x plus 1 plus c times x. Okay, so after that you just have to multiply everything. So a times x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus bx squared plus bx plus cx, all over with x times x plus 1 to the square. And now we just have to do x squared plus 2x plus a plus bx squared plus bx plus cx. Okay, so we can factor the numerator. So let's factor the numerator first. So x squared times a plus b equals to 1, because originally our numerator is x squared minus 6x plus 2, right? So from the original equation, so we know our coefficient is 1, so it's 1, and x times 2a plus b plus c. So this one will be equal to negative 6. And so the a will be the rest. So a will be 2. And now we can do elimination, right? But since we know the value of a, so we can put in the first equation. So it's 2 plus b equals to 1 and b equals to negative 1. So we know a and b, so we can plug those numbers and we can find the value of c. So we got negative 9 as c. Okay, what do we do next? So we just, since we find that our a, b and c, so we just have to plug into original equations. So here a is 1 and b is negative 1. Our a is 2 and c is negative 9. Okay, so let me erase that so that I get space to write. So integral of 2 over x dx minus, the reason why we put minus is b is negative 1, so we put negative in front. So negative, so integral of 1 over x plus 1 dx minus 9 integral of x plus 1 squared dx. Okay, so right now we just have to integrate the functions. So what's the integral of 2 over x? It's just 2 natural log of x. So what about what's the integral of 1 over x plus 1? It's just natural log of x plus 1. So next, what is the integrations of 1 over x plus 1 to the square? So you get negative 9 integral of x plus 1 to the negative 2 dx. So integral of 1 over x plus 1 to the square is just 1 over x plus 1. So okay, so that's the answer.